Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick and short friendly comparison review about these two platforms to help you decide which AI note-taking app is the best for you in 2025. So let's get started with a quick analysis about these two AI note-taking platforms, which is ClickUp and Mem AI. So let's get started with a quick analysis. ClickUp is a comprehensive productivity platform designed to handle tasks, document, goals, and collaboration all in one place. It lets you create a rich note alongside your to-do docs, track progress, and also collaborate with your teams in real time. So with its flexible view option and powerful automation, ClickUp is perfect for project managers and teams who want a unified tools to streamline their workflows from start to finish. Now, on the other hand, talking about Mem AI, focus mainly on effortless knowledge captured and the retrieval. It's just AI to connect related nodes and surface information when you need it, turning your node into a second brain. So if you want a smarter, more flexible way to organize your thought and find information quickly without rigid structures, Mem might be your best match in 2025. So if you need a powerful all-round productivity platform, go for ClickUp. But if you want a lightweight, clever note takers, Mem is hard to beat. And that's it. So let me know in the comment section which of these AI taking note platform will be your best option for your team in 2025. And that's it.